So I would like you to have a go at this new Microsoft Office application called Sway. So it's important that you use this and not PowerPoint or Keynote. I know you can use those, but I'd like you to give it a go at this. So to use it, you go to sway.com and sign in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. So those would be your school address and then your Veracross password. And then once inside of Sway, this is what the screen you'll arrive at. Click on Create New. And it's going to ask you for a title. So you might write something like the function of cellular components. To choose a background, you can click on that, and it opens up a tab on the left to let you search for images. So I might say something very generic like cell, and all these images of cells come up. You see here that it says Creative Commons only, so these are images that are free to use. I'm going to choose this one and drag it in there. So that's now the background of that section. Now for this assignment, what I'd like you to do is to add what are called image cards for each of the cell functions. So each of the cell components and their functions. So you do that by clicking the little plus sign here on the bottom and then choosing the image card, which is this little image icon here, the third from the left. When you click there, it opens an area for the image itself and for the caption. So to drag an image, first I need to find an image for it. So the first cell component that you're supposed to find the function for is the cell nucleus. So I'm going to type that in here and search for an image of the cell nucleus. Now I don't want images of diagrams. I want an actual nucleus. So this one, for example, is an egg cell, and then I can find other ones down here. I'm sure there's a cool one somewhere, like this one. So these are stained nuclei of 3 different cells. So then my caption is the cell nucleus, but then I need to find what the function of the nucleus is. So for that, I go to Google and search for cell nucleus. Now remember that you're looking for, Wikipedia will have stuff in there, but you're looking for something that might have the name of an author, right? So you can cite it. So I'm going to go to this one. This is from FSU, Florida State University. So this one right here at the top, it tells me this organelle, the cell nucleus, has 2 functions. It stores the cell's DNA and coordinates the cell's cell activities. So then I'm going to paraphrase that in my caption. So the cell nucleus stores DNA and manages all the activities that happen within the cell. And I'm going to cite that, right? So let me go back to my page, and all the way at the bottom, there it is, 1995 to 2017, Michael Davidson. So that would be Davidson 2017. And there you go, that's the cell nucleus. Then I would add one more for each cell component by clicking the little plus sign and then choosing the image card. If you want to see what this is going to look like in the end, you can click on preview or play. So what will look like, it's something like this, the function of cellular components, and then as you scroll down, all the different tabs will show up. This is what I'd like you to do for now. If you'd like to play with some of the functionalities of Sway, you're more than welcome to do that. There are tutorials here up on the right that show you how to change the design, change the layout, and some of the cool things you can do with these image cards. But for now, I guess the bare minimum is that you have a title card like this one and one image card for each cell component with their function with the proper citation. Enjoy!